But we've significantly reduced the manufacturing cost by not having to manufacture the entire rotor from this expensive and difficult to develop material. We'll place one sheet in each slot. This way, the entire rotor acquires the properties of argalium alpha. Here are the neodymium magnets that will glue into each of the rotor slots. With this magnetic pole tester, we'll identify the north and south faces of each magnet. We classify the magnets so we don't get confused when placing them on the rotor. We'll need to glue them with cyanoacrylate adhesive.